Today, we're diving into the decades-long hunt for water on the Moon.
Well, it's all part of a detective story that kicked off with one big clue.
Back in '98, NASA sent up a pretty cheap mission with one massive goal: find water. So, Lunar Prospector spent 19 months mapping the Moon's surface from way up close in a low orbit.
It had a bunch of tools, but one was the real key to this water mystery, the Neutron Spectrometer.
Now, this thing doesn't actually see water. Instead, it's hunting for hydrogen, water's main ingredient.
And bam, it found something huge. The poles were packed with hydrogen, hinting at tons of water ice.
Scientists thought, hey, there could be 3 billion tons of ice hidden there. A total game changer.
So, to prove it, they ended the mission with a bang. Literally, they smashed Prospector right into a crater.
But nothing. No water plume. The clue was good for sure, but the case was far from closed.
Fast forward a decade, and NASA sent a high-tech successor to follow up on Prospector's hunch.
Enter the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO. This thing was absolutely packed with modern, high-tech gear.
Okay, first up is Lola. It looks complicated, yeah, but its job is to build super precise 3D maps with lasers.
And that's absolutely crucial for finding safe landing spots, avoiding stuff like really steep slopes.
All right, next is LRO's camera system, LROC. And this gives us two totally different views of the surface.
So one camera zooms way in to spot hazards, while the other maps out the all-important light at the poles.
And check this out. This is a huge tech leap. Land is the next-gen water hunter, a massive upgrade.
So where Prospector saw just a fuzzy hydrogen blob, LEND could map it in super high res. Big difference.
And LRO had even more tricks up its sleeve, mapping temperatures, looking into shadows, even testing out new radar. So, we've got all this amazing high-tech data.
What's the bottom line? Why does it matter?
Well, it gives us the super detailed safety and resource maps we need to actually plan a trip back to the Moon. So, Prospector found the clue, and LRO drew the map. Now the big question is, what's next?